Welcome to my channel. This example shows how to insert, update, delete, and select data in Access file. Data Grid View is one of the most popular and powerful WinForm components out there. Not only can render text boxes but also check boxes, images as well as combo box. This makes it quite suitable to display database data and perform CRUD operations against that data. You can then sort, filter and search data. However, today we are only concerned with one thing: perform CRUD operations with MS Access database. We see how to insert data into MS Access database, select that data and display in Data Grid View, update selected database data and persist changes, filter data in Data Grid View, and finally delete row by row. Create a new Access database file named dbtk. Create a new table named Customers. Create the ID, name, title, birth date, city, and country fields in the table. Enter a few test records and save and close the file. Open the Visual Studio program. Create a new Windows Form application project and give it any name. Switch to Form Design. Add the Data Grid View control using the Toolbox window. Then add the text box, label, button, and date time picker controls. You can change the font size properties of the controls as you wish. You can use the Properties window for this. Place the controls on the form as you wish. Change the format property of the Date-Time Picker control to short using the Properties window. Change the text box 1 name as Text ID. Change the text box 2 name as Text Name. Change the text box 3 name as Text Title. Change the Date-Time Picker name as DTP Birth Date. Change the text box 4 name as Text City. Change the text box 5 name as Text Country. Change the text box 5 name as Text Search. Change the button 1 name as BTN Insert. Change the button 2 name as BTN Delete. Change the button 3 name as BTN Update. Create the objects to be used for the database connection. Create a method called getCustomers. This method will allow the data to be displayed in the Data Grid View. Generate the codes for the getCustomers method. Copy the Access file into the project folder. Follow the steps for the Microsoft.ace.old.16.0 provider is not registered on the local machine error. Uncheck the Enable Adding, Enable Removing, and Enable Deleting properties in the Data Grid View control. Change the Data Grid View control's Selection Mode property to Full Row Select and Auto Size Columns mode to Fill. Generate the codes for the Insert button. This button will be used to add data to the Access file. Generate the codes for the Update button. This button will be used to update the data. Add Data Grid View cell, enter event to Data Grid View 1 and generate codes for displaying data in Data Grid View clicked row in text boxes. Generate the codes for the Delete button. Generate codes to filter data in Data Grid View.